Hello guys, I hope you all good. On this video I'm going to show you how to hit two birds with one stone. Yes, you heard it right. I'm going to show you how to earn free website traffic. Free traffic to your website or to your blog and earn money at the same time. That is a double package for you guys. So you won't only be earning free traffic with this platform, but you're going to be making money also. Alright, let's get to it. So the name of the platform that you're gonna be using, it is called Alexa Master. So Alexa Master is a platform that and it is very friendly. Registration is free. The platform is user friendly, especially for new members. So as a publisher, there are a lot of options to earn at Alexa Master. There is also an autosave that will give you unlimited points. So how it works is that for you to earn traffic, you have to earn points. So you get also daily points. Whenever you log into the platform, there's an option where you get daily points. So when you sign up, you also get free points. So it means every day you're gonna get free traffic without using the autosave. If you want unlimited traffic to your website or to your blog, you can use the option of autosave. So there are a lot of ways to earn free traffic from this platform. You can write a review about it, and then they will give you points. You can share it with your friends. Your friends using the referral link, and then you also get points. So you can. There are a lot of ways. What I love about this platform is that there is a lot to do. If you can write a blog, if you can use a referral, there's always something that you can do to earn free points, to earn free traffic, guys. So what I love about this platform is that it gives you more options to earn, and not just any point. So a good thing about this platform is that whenever you refer people to these platforms, and when you get those points, you can always turn those points into cash, into money. So if you don't want traffic for that day, you can say, today I'm not gonna get traffic to my site, but I want cash in. I'm gonna get cash. So that's a good thing about it. You can always withdraw money by converting those points into dollars. So that's everything is free, guys. I don't know why you will be doing this if you are a blogger, if you have a website, because at the same time, while you are using this platform to earn free points and to get traffic to your website. And what I love about it is that they have massive traffic on this platform. Whenever you run a campaign with your points, you get traffic instantly, but you can't always control it, how you are getting the traffic. But then this is good I recommend this for bloggers, especially when you are starting and you want free traffic. I recommend that you use this, because you can always earn as much as 30,000 points by writing blog articles, an article about the platform itself. So if you have passion for writing articles, then this is your chance to showcase your passion and earn extra income from it. So from these points, you'll be able to turn them into cash. And if you also promote Alexa Master everywhere, you'll also get points. Even if you sell their platform in the market, you'll also get points. And it's not only daily points, but there's also what they call hourly points. So that's why I say there's a lot, guys. There's also competitions where you get to be chosen if you get into a contest, into a competition, and then when you win, you get points. So bear in mind that those points, you can always turn them into dollars, into money. You can also earn the free points by watching our videos, by surfing website, by liking their social media pages and sharing their posts. So guys, there's a lot from these platforms. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so that you can get yourself registered and start earning free traffic and earning free money at the same time. I'll see you on the next video. Keep pushing. Ciao.